build my creative future anywhere in the world. At IED, I've had the opportunity to work on projects to push my creative boundaries. It's really something that fuels your creativity, whether it's working in groups on interior design proposals or learning from professionals who know what it's like to be in your shoes. Outside the classroom, the input doesn't stop. I can walk the same route daily and find a new source of inspiration, which is really nice for projects. Except on Sundays, you know. Restful Sundays are so real here, even if you're a IED student. Aperitivo?